Crowdfunding. That's a term the world is hearing a lot lately. But what does it mean? Crowdfunding is a way of raising funds for a project, venture, or cause from a large number of people. It's an alternative financial method used by both businesses and individuals. Crowdfunding started gaining popularity about a decade ago, and since then, its growth is rampant. Every year, the crowdfunding industry doubles its revenue or more. In 2014, it reported a revenue of $16 billion, which increased to more than $34 billion in 2015. And the figure is estimated to reach $90 billion in 2017. Financing a business commonly involves asking financial institutions for large sums of money, but doing so has become increasingly harder, which is why crowdfunding is now the first choice for many businesses seeking funds. The barriers to crowdfunding are actually quite low. Factors such as convenience, flexibility, speed, and lower risk make it highly attractive. Its ability to build a ready community of fans and supporters is also a great advantage. Basically, crowdfunding has the potential to bring any idea to life, no matter how small it is. Since its existence, crowdfunding has diversified into several different types. Donation crowdfunding, the oldest and longest of crowdfunding. It empowers individuals and small groups to raise funds quickly and easily. Charities and nonprofit organizations usually use it to seek donations to support their cause. Reward crowdfunding, a highly popular and most commonly used crowdfunding method. Interested funders are given gifts or rewards in exchange for their financial contributions. The reward is often a product or service provided by the businesses that they support. Finance crowdfunding, also known as crowdfinancing. It is an alternative funding for both business and personal use. Individuals and companies obtain funds from people with a binding commitment to repay the principal amount plus profits. Among all the crowdfunding models, however, equity crowdfunding shows the most substantial growth. In equity crowdfunding, funds are exchanged for shares or a small stake in the business. Its attraction lies not just in the share of ownership, but also the share of potentially great returns. Equity crowdfunding has grown considerably. In the first quarter of 2015, the equity model constituted 44% of the global crowdfunding market share, with an estimation of $2.6 billion for the whole of 2015. Experts say that by 2016, global equity crowdfunding could account for more funding than the venture capital industry. The economic impact of equity crowdfunding is highly significant, an extensive and exponentially growing network that far surpasses even the total funders of top equity crowdfunded projects. With our network and marketing strategy, we are confident in establishing a strong position in the crowdfunding industry